Your children sit you down at the table. They say, "Mom, it's time." They have brochures, dates, and a plan for a nursing home you never asked for. Society calls it safe. But why does it feel like losing your whole life at once? Stay with me for the next 3 minutes, and you will learn a step-by-step way to stay out of a nursing home, stay in control of your life, and actually get healthier than most women inside those facilities. If you feel pressure from your children, your doctor, or society to just go to a nursing home, here's the real question. Is a nursing home actually the only way to be safe when you need help? Nursing homes sound secure on paper. 24-hour staff, medicine on time, meals cooked. But many women lose strength and independence there faster than they would at home. No kitchen to move around in, no stairs to climb, no little daily tasks that keep muscles and memory alive. The very thing that is supposed to protect you can quietly take away the two things that keep you alive longest: movement and choice. So first, do not move. Bring help to you. Ask your family to explore in-home care instead of a facility.
That's wonderful.
A caregiver can come for a few hours a day to help with bathing and dressing,
Here are your
organize
pills.
and hand
I'll
you
get
your
some water.
medications,
Thank you, sweetie.
prepare meals and light cleaning. You stay in your own bed, your own kitchen, your own neighborhood. Often, a few hours of in-home help costs less than a full-time facility and keeps your mind and body more active. But what if you want more people around and you don't want to be alone in the house so much? Is there an option that gives you support and community without locking you into a hospital-like environment? Most people only hear the words home or nursing home. They never hear about the middle ground, places that feel more like an apartment building than a hospital. Look into assisted living communities or small residential care homes. You get your own room or small apartment, your own furniture and decorations. Help available when you ask for it, not every second. You still choose when you wake up, what activities you join, and who you spend time with. For many women, this is far more comfortable and often cheaper than a nursing home, while still giving the family peace of mind. But there's an even bigger move you can make, one that might delay any move for years. What if the real key to avoiding a nursing home is not the building, but your strength? Many women don't end up in a nursing home because of one big disease. They end up there because of small losses that added up. Trouble getting out of a chair, one fall in the bathroom, feeling too weak to cook. Weakness, not age itself, sends a lot of women away from their homes. Here's what you can actually do starting this week. 10-minute strength routine at home. Chair stands. Stand up and sit down from a chair 5 to 10 times, twice a day. Light weights or water bottles. Curl them slowly for arm strength. Balance practice. Stand holding the counter. Lift one foot for a few seconds at a time. Ask for a home visit from a physical therapist. Many insurance plans and Medicare cover this. The visit designs a safe, personal plan in your home. Small daily effort now keeps you out of crisis later. So what do you say when your family keeps pushing for a nursing home anyway? How do you stand your ground with love, not anger? Your children are not your enemies. They are scared. They see risk. They fresh. and nursing homes look like the responsible choice. Here's a simple way to respond. I hear that you're worried. I want to be safe too. Let's try this first. In-home help, a strength plan with a therapist, and maybe visiting an assisted living before we jump to a nursing home. If we do these things and it still isn't working, then we can talk again. Now you are not rejecting them, you are offering a plan. If this helped you see new options besides a nursing home, tell me in the comments. Which step are you going to try first? Home care, strength exercises, or looking at assisted living? And if you want more videos that talk honestly about aging, independence, and dignity, subscribe and share this with another woman who needs to hear she still has a choice.